IQ Kids presents our Mathematics Enrichment Program, Mathstro. Mathstro creates a harmonious balance by integrating logic with creativity. Its curriculum incorporates Montessori-inspired materials and STEAM activities. Check out our Mathstro in action. Learn numbers 1 to 10 with the number rods, tracing activity using the textured numeral cards, matching concrete to abstract form of numbers, comparing and sorting different lengths using the red rods, exploration of the number rods forming the maze. The base 10 cubes are used to introduce linear counting 11 to 19 and 11 to 99. Learn odd and even numbers using cards and counters. Number recognition and sequencing with the 100 board. Early addition using the addition strip board. Touch and feel the geometric solids for early geometry. Technology in math. Watch the characters come alive. There's more fun activities in Mathstro. Come, join us on our STEAM journey today. Please approach your child's center or email us at learn@iqkids.com.sg.